In 2025, India crossed the line of control to strike terror camps in several locations in POK in Pakistan, avenging the Pahalgam terror attack. It was a clear message to the enemy. Terrorism would be met with force. This was the second time the Indian Armed Forces entered the POK to strike terrorists and their handlers, the first being the Balakot airstrikes of 2019. During Operation Sindoor, India not only dismantled terror infrastructure inside Pakistan, but also thwarted every attempt to target Indian soil. Both operations signaled New Delhi's new resolve under Prime Minister's leadership.
सिर्फ 20-25 मिनट के भीतर सीमा पार लक्ष्यों को भेदना, बिल्कुल पिन पॉइंटेड टारगेट्स को हिट करना, ये सिर्फ एक मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी से लेस प्रोफेशनल फोर्स ही कर सकती है.
Beyond the battlefield, Modi's connect with armed forces is deeply personal. He has made it a tradition to celebrate Diwali with soldiers on their front lines, calling them his family.
मेरे लिए तो वर्षों वर्ष से मेरा परिवार आप ही सब है. मेरी दीपावली की मिठास आपके बीच बढ़ जाती है.
Symbolism has gone hand in hand with substance. In 2022, India commissioned INS Vikrant, the first indigenously built aircraft carrier. The new naval ensign unveiled that day reflected a confident, self-reliant India.
विक्रांत केवल एक युद्धपोत नहीं है, ये 21वीं सदी के भारत के परिश्रम, प्रतिभा, प्रभाव और प्रतिबद्धता का प्रमाण है.
Modernization has accelerated indigenous fighter jets like LCA Tejas, artillery systems and missile projects are strengthening the arsenal of Indian Armed Forces. India's defense production hit a record 1.5 lakh crore rupees in fiscal year 2025, over 3 times than that of 2014. Defense exports have also crossed 24,000 crore mark in fiscal year 2025. India has also acquired some of the most cutting-edge weapon systems to secure its defenses. Rafale jets, 36 multi-role fighters with Meteor and Scalp missiles, S-400 Triumph, world's most advanced air defense shield, Apache AH-64E, lethal attack helicopters with Hellfire missiles, Chinook, heavy lift helicopters for high altitude operations, M777 ultralight howitzers, game changers in mountain warfare. The creation of Chief of Defence Staff has also improved jointness, while reforms have cut red tape and sped up acquisitions. On the welfare side, the implementation of one rank, one pension fulfilled a decade-old demand of veterans. For serving troops, better housing, improved border infrastructure, and Prime Minister's frequent frontline visits have boosted morale. From Balakot to Operation Sindoor, from INS Vikrant to record defence exports, the decade under Prime Minister Modi has been marked by decisive action, modernization and self-reliance. In New Delhi, Akshay Dongre for DD India.
भारत माता की